Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tushar from Canada PR Info. I would like to say congratulations to the candidates who received ITA from SINP on 15th September 2020. So as you might be aware, SINP conducted largest tech draw on 15th September for express entry and occupation in demand category. In both category, no job offer is required. And the total number of candidates who got invitation to apply for nomination are 621. Out of that, 455 express entry candidates are invited and 166 occupation in demand category candidates are selected. Okay, now SINP cutoff score is 68 for express entry as well as for the occupation in demand category. As this is a tech specific draw only, so only tech workers are invited. If they have the following NOC code, it is NOC 2173, 2174 and NOC 2175. However, there are two criteria to get the invitation from this draw. So let's see that. The criteria number 1 is that if you have 69 points or higher and your NOC code must be among from these 3 NOC codes, then you are eligible to get invitation to apply from SINP in this draw. And the another criteria is that if you have 68 points and connection to the Saskatchewan, means if you have any close family relative in Saskatchewan who is a Canadian citizen or permanent resident have been living in Saskatchewan for the past 12 months and you have 68 points with 10 years of work experience and your language level of CLB 8 or higher, then you are eligible to get invitation to apply from the SINP in this draw. Okay, now let's talk about the facts, figures and observations. So this is the largest tech draw for the technical workers such as computer programmers, web designers and software engineers in 2020. And the total number of invitations issued in the 2020 for the occupation in demand category are 2480 and the total number of invitations issued in 2020 for the express entry category are 1967. So express entry category invitations are less than the OID category. So you can expect more invitations in the express entry category in the upcoming draw. And this is a tech specific draw only, so there are less NOC codes included. However, you can expect more NOC codes to be included in the upcoming draws. Now, what should you do if you have received ITA? You should arrange your documents meticulously so you will not get any additional document request or verification of your proof of employment, proof of funds and reference letters or work experience letters. And to do that, I advise you to watch the following videos. For more information about Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, you can watch the following videos on my YouTube channel Canada PR Info.